Hello, teachers, and thank you so much for joining us today to talk about how you and your students can help honor the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. this upcoming MLK Day or really any time of year. My name is Kristen Cowgill, and I am the Program Manager for Education Plus. And here at Education Plus, we have had the distinct honor and privilege to be working with Martin Luther King III, his wife Andrea Waters King, and their daughter Yolanda King to help bring their Realize the Dream movement to life in schools just like yours. The goal of Realize the Dream is to collect 100 million hours of service by what would have been Martin Luther King Jr.'s 100th birthday. And with your help, teachers and students can be a huge part of making that dream a reality. And we're here to help you do just that. No matter what grade you teach or the population of students you serve, all students have the ability to make an impact on their community. So whether it's as simple as writing thank you letters to veterans or as big as building ramps for veterans with disabilities, there is something for everyone, and even the smallest projects can make a huge impact, as well as honor the legacy of Dr. King. So where can you start? Our Realize the Dream page of our Education Plus website has everything that you need to teach your students about what community service is and decide how they want to help. And it walks them through the entire process from start to finish. In this video, we're going to look at step 1, which is learning about what community service is and how it makes a difference. And you can do this using our lessons about community service. Let's take a look. So before you do anything else, we highly recommend starting with our issue cards. The issue cards are a great way to introduce the topic of community service and realize the dream, and also get your students thinking and talking about Martin Luther King Jr. and service. It can also spark even further discussion about how service honors the legacy of Martin Luther King Jr. and how it can keep his dream alive and well. Here you can see that our community service lesson plans are broken up in grade brackets, which include grades K through 3, 4 through 6, 7 through 8, and 9 through 12. In the K through 3 lessons, you'll find that it starts with activities about how students can help in different settings, such as at home, at school, and in their community. And then it goes on to talk about the difference between helping and volunteering. Whereas if you look at the 9 through 12 lessons, you'll find that it walks students through the history of volunteer organizations in the US, helps them identify the type of volunteer work they're passionate about, and has them create a community service proposal. And of course, for the grade brackets in between, you'll find different lessons that are based on Common Core and NCSS standards that are appropriate for those grade levels. Each of these lesson packages also has a PowerPoint deck to help guide your instruction and make things as easy as possible. Lessons 1 through 3 of the lesson packages for all grade levels focus on what service is. But once you get to lesson 4, you can also use our campaign guide to help your students collaborate on their service project from start to finish, which will be the focus of our next video in this series. We hope you enjoy these lessons with your students, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@educationplus.org. We are always happy to help. And we hope you'll join us in the next video of this series to learn more about our campaign guide. We'll see you there. Bye-bye for now.